Hello everyone. I'm making this video for one of my friend, and he just wants to know if SN Ultra has any feature, like if he write anything in his language, and if Samsung Tab can convert that language into text or something it can recognize. So as far as I know, like, because I'm also using it for like maybe 2 or 3 months, 1 or 2 months. So if you go in, suppose if you want to write anything, let's say, okay, I know two language. One is Hindi because I'm from India, and English. So for example, if I write anything in Hindi, I am just writing anything. Okay, it just says how are you friends. You can see here there is an option says convert to text. Okay, if you click here, right now it's not converting anything, it's not recognizing my language. So what you need to do, you need to click here and scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and scroll down to your language. Mine is Hindi. And if I click done here, see, okay, the thing is that I have it's just recognized my language and it has converted my handwriting into text. And if you click convert, it's gonna convert here the text. The thing is that the writing has to be slightly clear because it is this thing they have not recognized properly. It should be like this. So like you have to be a bit like your writing should be little recognizable. But this feature I know in Samsung. Okay, one more feature I know, but it's I don't know if they have feature, other feature, like if you write something and you want to convert this text into English. I don't know if they have it because right now I don't know, but I know if you well, only feature I know is that, for example, let me convert this into white. White. Okay, so only feature I know, like you can copy the text here, and you can convert it to dictionary, whatever language. Only it will recognize only one text and it would find into dictionary. Second feature I know is to translate. Is Google Translate, it will translate to any language. You just need to go here, go to setting, and you need to change it to whatever language you want. And the thing is that it will automatically translate or detect the language you have, and it will translate to English. And if you want a new translation, you can just write it here and it will convert it. I have not used this too much, but the only thing you need to do is you need to download this from Play Store, is Google Translate, and then it will automatically pop up here, like when uh, you're gonna click like this. And the thing one more feature is that, like, you can click add to note and it's gonna copy here. And if you want to copy whole this page, you can click whole page, and then it will copy this whole page here for you to add notes or whatever. It's just taking time. So I think this is the feature I know. And that's it. If you like my video, just you can hit like. Thank you everyone, and just take care.